kasama mo sila.
Kahit sino?
That's been on.
Okay, I'm taking my weight off the boat. Okay. Watch out. Ready? Flips back. Looks like that Chinese clothes. Doesn't flip.
Alright, Tracy, I'm right here. You do need a hand.
I hit him $10 to
Making
push
sure.
me.
Yeah, you're looking good.
It's windy out in the north, but it's 27 degrees.
It's weird. Yeah, it is weird.
Sorry. Did you get out of here by now?
No, okay, hold your run.
Yeah.
Who else is going?
Somebody else is jumping in.
Am I allowed to step on this?
Yeah.
I won't wreck it?
You can, yeah. I wouldn't step on it, but
You say that after I step on it.
weigh like 130 pounds more.
How much do you weigh?
Like 240.
Oh.
All right. You barely see our casualty up here.
Oh, okay, I see him now.
What's that?
I see him now.
It's hard in the sun, eh? What direction would I be approaching the casualty from?
From the starboard. Port side.
Well, where should the wind be?
Here.
Wind is going
It's right behind us right now.
Yeah.
over there, right?
Should I be approaching this way or should I be coming into the wind?
Going that way.
Going
Into the wind, yeah. Yeah, if I come this way and I try and stop the boat, the wind will blow the boat right over top of the casualty. Where if you go into the wind, you have a lot better control of the speed of the boat, and it'll blow the casualty down on top of it. The Jason's cradle's not working out very well because the dummy's not floating properly. So you'll roll this out over the side.
So going into wind is upwind, right? Or am I...
No, upwind was like we're upwind when we're coming down, so we're downwind going into the wind.
We're downwind going?
Yeah, because we're downwind of the casualty.
So like if this popped up as a test question, I would say downwind, right?
Yes, the questions were a little different. I'll go over that
Okay.
because it talks about direction.
We're sitting now.
So you're going to have to deploy the Jason cradle. So roll that over to the side and hang on to the strap. Look up right here. Just throw it over the side, hang on to the strap. The two long straps are hanging out.
Do you want me to hold? Probably sitting down.
And you can grab that forward strap.
This?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Throwing it?
Just get cradle in the water. You hold on to the end of the strap. And then you're going to use your other hand to guide the dummy into the cradle. So it goes between the strap and the boat.
Come over here.
Pull the cradle towards the bow of the boat. Pull the cradle forward as you pull the dummy in.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's just going to pull it back. So you need the casualty all the way in the cradle.
Okay.
So keep pulling the dummy back.
The pants.
parts left, don't we?
Yeah, it's gotta go all these. The whole body's gotta be in there. The head has to go all the way through.
Maybe if we change
Yeah, she just
just hold this.
you hold this one. This one. You hold this one.
Lift up on it at the same time you're pulling back.
Do it. Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Like,
You pull, you pull the trap.
Okay, don't roll it all the way in.
Is that good?
Good, yeah. Stop there. Now you toss her back in and roll that cradle back up.
Alright. Good guy.
Goodbye.
Good guy. I don't like you anymore. We're not rescuing you.
Roll that up to the end. Water.
So wait, is this the Jason's cradle? Or
Jason's cradle.
Jason's cradle, and then the other thing's flat, right? So this is Jason's cradle. What kind do you have there?
Jason's cradle.
The water probably around. Not a lot of water. Not a lot of water. One more.
Who hasn't gone yet?
Right.
Yes, thank you. Sakit sa kamay.
Tsaka, di ba, ang hirap.
Punong-puno ng tubig yung katawan.
Kukuha sana si kuya ng ano mas malaking kasama.
Sabi kasi kumuha ka ng mas malaki.
Hindi, akala ko yung isa, yung kasama ko yung si ano, nung ano.
Babae mo.
Ay kaming dalawa na nga, hindi